They won't say it in the job listing, but if you look closely, you'll see the shift. The new workplace doesn't care that you're smart. It cares whether you're fast, fluent, and functional inside the machine. We used to celebrate the generalist, the one who could adapt, jump across teams, wear many hats. But that archetype was built for a human-first world. In today's AI-centric system, ambiguity is a liability, and flexibility, the old kind, won't protect you anymore. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Generalists who can't speak the language of systems are becoming obsolete, not because they're less intelligent, but because they're less legible to machines. Let me explain. You walk into a company now, even a small one, and it's no longer just people you're working with. You're working with dashboards, automations, prompts, pipelines, integrations. Slack isn't just for messages. Notion isn't just for notes. Zapier isn't just for the IT team. These tools are the new colleagues. And if you can't collaborate with them, you slow the team down. Digital fluency isn't a technical bonus anymore. It's baseline. The moment your manager has to explain to you, again, how to use a prompt correctly, the moment you're the only one who needs a live walkthrough instead of an async loom, you've signaled something you can't undo. You're telling the system, I'm smart, but not scalable. And that is the kiss of death in the modern workplace. This isn't about becoming a coder. It's about becoming convertible, about showing that your thinking translates across platforms, across systems, across tools, because that's how the new hierarchy is forming, not around job titles, but around who gets the machine to move. The copywriter who knows how to prompt ChatGPT beats the brand strategist still stuck in idea decks. The marketer who can plug into Airtable, write a quick formula, and analyze results on their own. More valuable than the senior executive who needs a team to interpret the data. This isn't skill arbitrage. It's systems compatibility. And generalists, the ones who were once prized for being versatile, are now being outpaced, not because they can't learn, but because they haven't had to. Until now. There was a time when soft skills made you indispensable. You were the glue person, the bridge, the brainstormer, the person who knew just enough about everything to connect the dots. But here's the plot twist. The dots are connecting themselves now. APIs do the handshakes. AI does the interpretation. And if you don't bring executional clarity to the table, you're not the glue. You're the gap. So what do? You evolve, not by abandoning your range, but by embedding it into function. Learn to document, not just discuss. Learn to build systems, not just suggest workflows. Learn to use tools as teammates, not just channels. Because in this new world, the person who can think, speak, and ship inside digital ecosystems will always outrun the person who only knows how to perform in meetings. Now let's talk to the silent fear, the one sitting just under the surface. If I'm not technical, am I done? No, but you are at a crossroads. Your edge has to sharpen. Being a generalist isn't the problem. Being a generalist who hides behind ambiguity is. The future belongs to what I call the fluent generalist. Someone who still sees patterns, but knows how to package them into usable outputs. Who knows strategy, but can turn that strategy into a template, a system, a prototype. That person will never be irrelevant, not even in an AI age. But the old school generalist, the I'm good with people type, the I learn on the job kind, they'll get filtered out, not because the workplace is cruel, but because the pace no longer allows for translation delays. So here's the invitation. Don't resist the tools. Use them to amplify your brain, not replace it. Get curious, get scrappy, watch workflows, reverse engineer automations, learn what the machine is really doing when no one is looking. Because the moment you stop waiting for a handhold, the moment you become fluent in your own way, you re-enter the arena. But this time, as someone the system needs, not just tolerates. Thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you in the next one.
Find your unique value, let it free, stand tall, rise up, be who you wanna be. Your story matters, sing it loud and clear. You got that spark, ignite it without fear.